So it looks like the targeted community could have potentially shut down and stopped Epstein's trafficking network if you guys all just listened to what we were telling you, is what it sounds like. But, hang on that one. Oh, I know what we can read you. This is my spoliation notice. Spoliation? I don't know. It has to do with police not fucking up records that they're legally obligated to keep. So this is sent out to the chief of police. This is sent out to the chief of the fire department, the individuals involved. I got the town manager on here, so I'm sure they're all not corrupt. Anyway, spoliation. Should probably look up how to pronounce that word. Spoliation. Notice litigation hold, Fourth Amendment violation. This notice concerns the warrantless, non-consensual entry by Newington Police Department. That's correct. Warrantless, non-consent. And Newington Fire Department. So on October 3rd, they breached the backyard fence. There was no cause for concern. Allegedly, maybe one of the neighbors had complained about smoke, but they didn't have a warrant. They were not invited. They did not knock. They did not announce themselves. They just barged right in, opened the fence. Not supposed to do that. And Newington Fire Department personnel into the fence backyard curtilage of the residence located at, leave that out, Connecticut on October 3rd, 2025, approximately 7 a.m. They were up early trying to catch bad guys at 7 a.m., right? But almost got Epstein's client list, but not so much. The conduct constitutes violations of the Fourth Amendment, Article 1, Section 7 of the Connecticut Constitution and 42 United States Code 19, subsection 1983. Officer Zelinsky was notified of her harassment and verbally told me that her body camera was on and recording. At that moment, Officer Zelinsky had a legal duty to preserve any and all related body cam footage connected to this violation of civil rights. The CAD notes from CFS number 25000199986 state he informed me that I was harassing him, and I did. I told her, right? I told her. I said, "Hey, this is harassment." And anyway, the assistant police chief, I guess, I don't know who these people were. They didn't really identify themselves, but she asked him, "Oh, is he doing anything wrong?" Well, no, he said I wasn't doing anything wrong. Now you guys are harassing me, and you deleted the body cam footage. Why would you do that? Why would you do something so stupid? Right. Connecticut General Statutes, Title 29, Chapter 529, Section 29D says, except as required by state or federal law, no person employed by a law enforcement unit shall edit, erase, copy, share, or otherwise alter or distribute in any manner any recording made by body-worn recording equipment or dashboard camera or data from such recording. This notice imposes an immediate litigation hold on all remaining evidence. That's the purpose of this letter. It's a litigation hold or a spoliation notice. Mandatory preservation, dispatch, and communications, right? I want the CAD logs, traffic notes, 911 records, timestamps, call codes, unit assignments, internal communications, emails, text messages, MDT messages, supervisor directives, shift logs, and all communication referencing the incident or missing footage. Reports and notes, incident reports, supplements, field notes, supervisor notes, shift commander logs, fire department records, all logs, radio, traffic, dispatch notes, internal communications, and reports involving Assistant Chief Lapierre. GPS and AVL data, vehicle location data, route logs, arrival, departure timestamps, photographs, video, any images, recordings created by police, fire, town personnel, or third parties acting under color of law. I hate bullies. I hate them so fucking much. And when you have a badge and a gun and you protect pedophiles, and I'm not saying that these individuals are, but I can't stand bullies. You know what I mean? FOIA related records, all FOIA requests submitted by the complainant, internal responses and communications referencing FOIA activity or the missing footage. Right? Isn't it funny how they lose footage? Like Jeffrey Epstein's jail cell. We lost a minute of footage. Oh, really? Oh, we broke the law and we lost the body cam footage. Oh, how often does that happen? Policies, training, warrantless entry policies, curtilage entry policies, knock and talk procedures, body camera, retention policies, right? So this is what I'm requesting that they preserve all the record of. Certification required within 10 days. A written certification of the following must be provided, confirming the following. All evidence categories under litigation hold. No deletion or purge cycles will run. No personnel may modify or destroy records. A written explanation provided explicitly for the missing body camera footage of Officer Zelensky, including retention logs and responsible personnel. I'm sure I'll get that. So this is, I gave them an out. I gave Newington Police, I don't know, a week to settle out of court. Now they get this notice to retain all the records that they didn't fucking damage, right? And they're probably not going to do anything about that either. And then I'm just going to file federally, and I'm going to bring their stupid assholes to court, and we're going to talk in front of a judge, and we're going to explain to the judge why they broke the law. I'm not going to have to do too much explaining. We're going to have a jury, right? I'm going to demand a jury trial, and we're going to figure it out. Unless for some reason the police decide to do the right thing. But as we all know, they're incapable of doing the right thing, and they're covering up crimes every single day. I can't stand bullies. Can't stand them.